Under which wrestling category does Deepak Pune representing India at Tokyo Olympics? Answer C. 86 kg. Sikhu Mirabai Chanu, women weightlifter, is representing India in dash category at Tokyo Olympics 2020. Answer A. 49 kg category. Who is the first ever Indian fencer to qualify for the Tokyo Olympics Game 2020? Answer B. C.A. Bhavani Devi. Who is the woman Indian golfer who qualified for the Tokyo Olympics Game 2020? Answer C. Aditi Ashok. Which Indian woman gymnast is going to represent India at Tokyo Olympics 2020? Answer A. Pranati Nayak. Which Indian wrestler is going to represent India at Tokyo Olympics 2020 in men's 65 kg category? Answer D. Bajrang Punia. Sonam Malik is going to represent India at Tokyo Olympics 2020 in which weight category? Answer C. 62 kg. What is the Tokyo Olympics 2020 mascot? Answer B. Miretiva. What do you 5 rings on the Olympic symbol represent? Answer B. The 5 continents. At which of the following Olympics were gold medal made of pure gold last awarded? Answer A. 1912. Who of the following athletes has won the maximum number of individual gold medal at a single Olympics? Answer B. Michael Phelps. The 5 rings of the Olympic symbol are in 5 different colors: red, green, yellow, blue, and answer D. Black. Olympics games were held in ancient Greeks in honor of Greek god dash. Answer A. Zeus. At which of the following cities have the Olympics game not been held twice? Answer D. Athens. In which year were the first modern Olympic Games held? Answer B. 1896. Where are the headquarters of the International Olympic Committee located? Answer A. Lausanne, Switzerland. Olympics Games 2012 are being held in London. In which earlier years have the Olympics Games been held in London? Answer C. 1908 and 1948. What are the name of the mascots of the London Olympics 2012? Answer B. Winlock and Mandeville. At which of the following Olympic Games was the Olympic flag flown for the first time? Answer C. 1920 Antwerp. Which of the following countries won the maximum number of medals at the first Olympic Game in 1896? Answer D. Greece. Who of the following is known as the father of modern Olympics? Answer B. Pierre de Coubertin. Which language other than English is the official language of the International Olympic Committee? Answer B. French. Which team is at the end of processing of athletes at the opening ceremony of the Olympics game? Answer A. Hosting nation. Japan in Tokyo Olympics 2020. What is the motto of the Tokyo Olympics 2020? Answer D. United by emotion. At which of the Olympic game was the Olympic flame introduced for the first time? Answer C. 1928. Amsterdam. What does the Olympic motto CITIUS, LTS, Fortius mean? Answer C. Faster, higher, stronger. Among the following Indians, who was the first to win an individual medal at the Olympics? Answer A. J.D. Jadhav. Which city is the first in the world to be awarded both Summer and Winter Olympics? Answer C. Beijing. Who won the gold medal for 400 meters run at 2 consecutive Olympics Games? Answer A. Michael Johnson. When were the first recorded Olympics held? Answer B. 1776 BC. Who among the following is the lone winner of gold medal from India in the Olympics? Answer A. Abhinav Bindra. At which of these Olympic Games did Dhyan Chand captain the gold medal winning Indian hockey team? Answer D. 1936. Berlin. At which of the following places is the Olympic flame lit before the start of the Olympics game every 4 years? Answer C. Temple of Hera. Who of the following was the first female Olympic champion? Answer B. Charlotte Cooper. Who of the following gymnast was the first to be awarded a perfect score of 10 in an Olympic gymnast event? Answer C. Naria Coman-AC. Who of the following was the first person to complete the 100-meter event in under 10 seconds? Answer A. Jim Hines. Who of the following in 1896 became the first champion of the modern Olympics game? Answer D. James Connolly. At which of the following Olympics game was the Olympic oath taken from the first time? Answer B. 1920. Antwerp. According to the Olympic Charter, the duration of the competitions of the Olympic Games shall not exceed. Answer D. 16 days. In how many events medal going to be awarded in Tokyo Olympics 2020? Answer B. 333 events across 33 sports. Who are the 2 Indian athletes who will be the flag bearer of Indian opening at Tokyo Olympics 2020? Answer A. Mary Kom, Manpreet Singh. Who is the only Indian athlete who has qualified for the men's shot put event in the Tokyo Olympics 2020? Answer B. Tajinder Pal Toh. Who will represent India in badminton's men's single event at Tokyo Olympics 2020? Answer A. B. Sai Praneeth. Who will be flag bearer of India in the closing ceremony of the Tokyo Olympics 2020? Answer B. Bajrang Punia. Deepika Kumar is going to represent India in the women's individual archery event of the Tokyo Olympics 2021. This is going to be her dash Olympics. Answer C. Third. Who is going to participate in the 50-kilometer walk event meant from India at Tokyo Olympics 2020? Answer B. Gurpreet Singh. Which sportman will represent India at Tokyo Olympics 2020 in men's long jump event? Answer B. Mulli Sri Sri Shankar. Indian boxer Simranjit Kaur will participate in which weight category at boxing events of Tokyo Olympics 2020? Answer B. Lightweight. Priyanka Goswami and Bhavna Jat is going to participate in which event at the Tokyo Olympics 2020? Answer C. 20-kilometer walk. What is opening data of Tokyo Olympics Game 2020? Answer B. 23rd July. What is the size of Indian contingent at Tokyo Olympics Sport 2020? Answer C. 228. Which sports is returning in Tokyo Olympics? Answer D. Baseball. What is the number of Indian track and field athletes qualified for Tokyo Olympics? Answer B. 26. Which one of the following tennis player not playing at the Tokyo Olympics? Answer D. Rohan Bopanna.